Whānui is a project that's about art and community. We do a lot of projects that are based in theatres. So now the festival for Whānui wanted to go out, we wanted to create accessibility. We wanted to create a different focus, turning it on its head. For me, it's about how art is part of life and how art can change lives.
We were taught many things from the past. A lot of homes have been pulled down to create more homes.
Korowai, which is a huge cloak installation, which is reflecting the housing issues in Tamaki Makaurau, but particularly in Glen Innes, and that's in partnership with the marae.
The thing that I like the most about taking photos is the fact that you have that memory with you forever.
The hardest thing about taking photos is having to fit everything into a frame. Some things can be so big and you want to capture all of it, but you just can't.
When we were doing the selection of images that would represent the I Spy project, we were looking for themes that would come out that were, I suppose, pertinent to those communities, but we were also looking for Auckland.
I've been doing it for 23 years and you can kind of get locked in your ways. From working with the children, you just see all these fresh approaches and different ways of looking at things.
They have this anonymity about them, so you don't pay any attention to them, and so they get these really, really amazing candid photos.
For me, it's really inspiring to hear these stories about how it has transformed their lives, their young lives. Just seeing them being able to have confidence and transform through that and discover their passion for photography or art.
Whānui, which is a Pacific theatre work, community work in Māngere, and that's about climate change, our place and the vision of our place and what's happening in our world today. Samoa, Great Indian Carnival in Sandringham, which we will see a little bit of Bollywood movies that come to life. Repertoire, young people are going around Auckland on a kind of a tour. They're meeting politicians, they're going up to Ngāti Whātua and they're going to rap in the evening about their experiences, and those are new experiences outside their normal world.
It's a city in sales, but my soul ain't got a price. I stand tall like Lion Rock, sunsets every night, it won't change. Even after my funeral, let's spark a revolution, cause it's politics as usual.
Whānui was only made possible because of a partnership between Foundation North and Creative New Zealand, and that's been an enormous bonus to do a project we could never have done in any other way. It's about the community telling their stories to themselves in a way and sharing those with everybody around them. It's real, and we're out in that real world where it really matters.